Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm just here back with another video. It's like a really easy and simple mod to do. With my previous cars I did it. It's actually really easy, but for example, unfortunately the 86 what I'm driving, quite difficult to get bulbs. Usually we go to a local Chinatown and then we just get a set of bulbs that fits the reverse lights, and usually they're quite good. And with the 86 it was a bit different, so I couldn't find like really powerful bulbs for reverse lights. I found like other ones, LEDs, they look cool, but you really can't see when you're reversing at night what's going on behind you. So what I did, I went on Amazon, I purchased myself a set of bulbs. 3 weeks later they arrived. So this is basically what they look like. I'm going to take them out of the box now. Paid like, just check here, it's like $25 US. Which is just under 400 Rand in South Africa. And I must say, it looks quite nice, much better quality than what we used to here in South Africa. This is how they look like. The LEDs there, it's very, very nice. So I'm quickly going to install them for you guys. Okay, so first thing you want to do, you want to stick your hand in here, and you'll feel that there's a small plug. You can turn the plug and the standard bulb should come out with its wire. Just watch out that your exhaust muffler is not still hot after driving. So it basically looks, I don't know if you can see from that distance, it will just pull this bulb, it comes out, and take the aftermarket bulb, pop that right in. So what I also like to do is, before I put them back, I actually just test them outside there, when it's not inserted into the light yet. So I can just make sure that both are the right way around and that both of them are working. So the other one, I'm just going to put it in here, same story, you can just push the bumper slightly away, to the plug, turn, and it clips out.
Up in the flashing light keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on.